Hey guys, that guy here with another video, and today we are going to open up some packs. I don't know when I got the Ancient Origins pack, but okay. I guess we have 1, 2, 3, 8. We have 10 booster packs. Here's Steam Siege. I don't know, it just gave it to me. Building. Hopefully that didn't take coins or anything. I mean, I only have 74 coins. But, I mean, oh my, it actually, there's some Steam Siege. Yay, so special. Everything in this pack should be real. I don't know how I have this card. Okay. Come on. Done. These ones I just put in the codes. Let's see if we can get Shaman. There's a Shaman hunting right here. What's your reverse? It's Deoxys. That was a squat pack. Let's see what this one is. You know what? Next one will open up Breakthrough. Oh heck. A Deoxys. Yay. I think this came from a trade. I traded a Mega Glalie EX because I don't have a Glalie for 2 Breakthrough. Hoping I'd get something. There you go. Oh yeah, Houndoom EX. Look at that. Oh yeah, we have an Ancient Origins. Forgot about that. Hey, we got a new smoker. Yes! 2 EXs. This is Mega Mewtwo. Good. I don't have a Mewtwo EX. I did, but I was really stupid. I had a secret rare and I gave it away. Freaking comment if you think that was stupid. Well, just leave a comment because that was very stupid. It was a secret rare Mewtwo. The good one, too. Yes! Guillotine EX. 3 EXs. So we've opened 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be our 6th pack. 3. So we're about 1. Yeah, whatever. I don't know. But we're doing about half. This is our 7th pack. Drum roll. And oh, that ain't the hollow. Crap. open another. Should probably do a Minecraft one. And Hello Reshiram. That's cool. So 4 good cards so far. We got 3 EXs, 1 Omega, and that's sort of good. 1 Mega, 2 regular EXs, and a Hollow. So we're not doing too bad, but we could do better. Zapdos. That's great. And I ran out of packs. Well, anyways, guys, that was the video. So we got 4 amazing pulls. We got a Mega Mewtwo EX from Breakthrough. We got a Houndoom EX from Breakthrough. We got a Guillotine EX from Ancient Origins. We got nothing from Steam Siege. And we got 1 Hollow from Roaring Skies. That's sort of good. Okay, guys, this is the video.